Okay, now we are at the end of our IAM section. Before we finish, I want to give you some general guidelines and best practices. These are crucial rules to follow so you don't make any security mistakes when you use AWS. First, remember the root account. That's your super powerful main account. You should not use it for anything except the initial setup of your AWS account. You should now have two accounts, the root account and your own personal user account. Lock away that root account and use your personal one for everything else. Second rule, one user, one person. This is a simple but very important rule. One AWS user should always equal one physical person. If your friend wants to use AWS, don't give them your username and password. Instead, create a new user for them. This keeps things secure and accountable. To manage your security efficiently, you should assign users to groups, and then assign permissions to those groups. This way, you don't have to manage permissions for every single person individually. If you have a group of developers, you just give that group the permissions they need, and everyone in that group gets them automatically. You should always create a strong password policy to make sure everyone uses difficult-to-guess passwords. Even more importantly, you must use and enforce multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA adds a second layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to get into your account. Remember the difference between a user and a role? You should create and use IAM roles whenever you're giving permissions to an AWS service like an EC2 virtual server. Users are for people, but roles are for services. If you need to access AWS from your computer using the command line or from within a program, you'll use access keys. These access keys are just like passwords. They are a secret. You must keep them private and never ever share them with anyone. To help you manage permissions, use the built-in security tools. The IAM Credentials report is great for a full account audit, and the IAM Last Accessed helps you find unused permissions so you can remove them and make your account more secure. Finally, the most important rule of all, never ever share your IAM credentials and access keys. I am very serious about this. Your security is your responsibility. So that's it. We've reached the end of this section. You now know everything you need to know about IAM. I'll see you in the next video.